Stock market turmoil, soaring inflation, and rising interest rates have the entire country on edge amid mounting fears of a possible recession. The S&P 500 closed in a bear market yesterday. Just a quick refresher now. That means that the index fell 20% or more from a recent high. The Dow and Nasdaq also plunged ahead of a Federal Reserve's high-stakes meetings today and tomorrow. CBS's Naomi Ruchim is here with more. Naomi, good morning.
Anne-Marie, good morning. There are new fears of a recession after a miserable start to the week on Wall Street. All major indexes are facing deep declines, with the S&P 500 tumbling to a bear market. Many Americans are worrying about their retirement funds as stocks dropped to new lows for the year. A bitter day on Wall Street has Americans worrying about their retirement funds, along with everyday expenses.
We're confined. We're just being like kept prisoners in our own little spaces because we can't afford to do anything.
Stocks plunged Monday across the board over concerns about inflation and higher interest rates. The S&P 500 dropped 151 points, down more than 20% from January highs, firmly landing in the claws of a bear market for the first time since the start of the pandemic.
I think there was this fear that, in fact, higher prices and rising interest rates are going to keep eating into corporate profits, and that consumers are not going to be able to maintain their current level of spending.
Tech companies like Amazon and Apple pulled the Nasdaq into deeper declines. The crypto market crashed too, wiping out billions of dollars. Investors are closely watching the Federal Reserve, which is meeting this week to discuss raising interest rates at least half a percentage point.
The problem is that the Fed was late with fighting inflation. And now they're kind of scrambling.
For those anxious about their 401ks, experts say riding out a downturn may prove a stronger strategy than selling off.
You shouldn't just blow out of your stock positions just because what's happening today or tomorrow, even in 6 months. Most people who are investors are investing for the long term.
But be patient. Bear markets can take 2 years or longer to break even. The Federal Reserve is ending its meeting tomorrow when Chairman Jerome Powell will make a presentation and take questions. Some economists are speculating that the Fed may raise rates by 0.75%, something that hasn't happened since 1994. Anne-Marie?
All right, Naomi, thank you.